Hello, in front of me I've got 70MAI dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to check software version and update of your dashcam. To check current software version, go to Settings in 70MAI app. Go to About. Here is the device name, firmware, 4G model version and dashcam channel. If you want to check for updates, go back. Press 3-line button, firmware update, connect your smartphone to internet, try again and download. Push to dashcam now. Push.
Receiving upgrade package.
And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.